Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am making chicken fried rice. Here I have boneless chicken 250 grams, 2 large teaspoon of soya sauce, half a cup of spring onions, 3 to 4 chilies, 1 clove of crushed garlic, 1 carrot finely chopped, half a cup of green peas, half cup of French beans chopped, half cup of spring onions greens, and 2 cups of cooked rice. First step is to marinate our chicken pieces. We marinate it using soya sauce, pepper powder and salt. Make sure you use less salt because soya sauce is already very salty. You marinate it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can fry our chicken. We heat up oil in a pan and then we fry these chicken pieces until they are golden brown and crispy. This process will take approximately 7 to 8 minutes. You stir them occasionally just to avoid the chicken pieces to be burnt. Now this chicken looks ready to come off the flame. We take them off in a dry towel and in the same oil we throw in our spring onions and chilies and fry them. Here I am not using separate oil because the chicken flavor is already infused in that oil. Now I have added my garlic and my vegetables. We don't need to cook our vegetables too long. Now I add in my pepper powder and my fried chicken to this. I also add little bit of soya sauce, like 1 spoon of soya sauce for the extra flavor and color. Now you can see I'm adding my rice to this. You cook and stir them well. It's ready to serve. You can garnish it with spring onions. Yeah, the chicken fried rice is ready. You can serve them and enjoy it. Thank you. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.